Make a great choice today with the 2018 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power mirrors, traction control system, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.